Soft, so soft. Rough, so rough. Bumpy, bumpy. Smooth, smooth.
I found paint, so many colors. Let's paint everything.
Awesome idea, buddy.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Splash the red, splash the blue. Swirl and rings going up. Got it. Uh-oh. Crash, crash, build again. Stack it up with all my friends. Giggle, giggle. Piece by piece we make it tall. Working together we won't let.
Woohoo! Yay!
Snow is a solid.
Snow is solid, cold, and white.
Solid.
Now it is a liquid. Water flows and
Steam is a gas. Snow is solid, cold, and white. Water flows and feels just right. Steam goes up into the air. Solid, liquid, gas, we're there.
Snow is solid, cold and white. Water flows and feels just right. Steam goes up into the air. Solid, liquid, gas, we're there.
We did it!
Solid, liquid, gas, we're there.
Yellow. Look at the yellow. Blue. Look at the blue. What happens when we mix? Green. Yay, green. Can you mix your colors too? Red. Look at the red. Yellow. Look at the yellow. What happens when we mix? Orange. Yay, orange. Can you mix your colors? Floats. Oh, the spoon sinks. Wow, the boat floats. What else can you try? How magnetic? Yes, it's magnetic. No, not magnetic. What else can you test? Soft. So soft. Rough. So rough. Bumpy. Bumpy. Smooth. Smooth. Look!